Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through one of the most popular plazas in Jamaica. This is the Mall. That's what it's called, the Mall. And it's one of the top plazas in Jamaica. It's located in halfway tree of Constant Spring Road. Now that tall building in the background is the Rogers. It's currently the tallest building in Jamaica. Now every store in this plaza is rented out, it's leased. And you have Domino's, you have Pizza Hut, sorry, not Domino's, and you have Starbucks. This is Woolworth here. And Woolworth has been at this location for years, probably over 30, 40 years. And there you can see the sign, the mall. Now, when you think of a mall in the US, you think of an indoor setup. But in Jamaica, you have people use the words mall and plaza interchangeable. Okay, so this is Amar's now, and Amar's has been here also for probably over 40 years. Very popular location. Now, we have a formula for a successful plaza in Jamaica. It works well. However, these stores, the Mall and Tropical Plaza, Village Plaza, Springs, these plazas that are close to halfway tree are the only exception to the formula. Now, the formula is you need three things for a successful plaza in Jamaica. Build it in a populated area. Halfway tree is the busiest area in Jamaica. 250,000 people a day pass through halfway tree, which is where this mall is located. You need food stores. This plaza has Wendy's, Starbucks, Domino's, and other food stores. There's a Chinese food store. This plaza doesn't have Wendy's. It's the other plaza. But this plaza has Domino's, Starbucks, and a food court basically. But the third thing that you need for a successful plaza in Jamaica, you need a brand name supermarket, a large supermarket. And that's the only exception is the plazas in halfway tree. They are the only stores, that's the Starbucks there, that do well without a plaza. These stores that we're looking at, these plazas, the Mall, Tropical, Village, Premier Plaza, Springs, these are the only plazas that do well without a supermarket. And the reason for this is because of where they are located. In halfway tree, there is just so much foot traffic. Nowhere else in Jamaica has this much traffic. Not even downtown has as much traffic as halfway tree. So that's the only exception to the formula. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Let us know what you think of this plaza. Alright guys, have a good day.